organize the week through some form of art, okay? But it's still here. And it has gained strength and beauty. So, notice how it just still sit upright. The sensations of our body. So you try.
Okay, then I think we should go.
And some Hungarian parents. So we've gone through the...
We all think that it was a very adventurous trip. We had a great time. It was, we were struggling and making fun of it and raincoats, but we all had smiles on our faces and we were happy.
The trip?
Some of parts were in the middle, but sometimes, for example, the darker side, when we were walking in the mud and it's raining, actually I don't like
moment for all of us, and we made like the hearts growing from the trees and stuff because we were in the nature, and also little flags to represent like where we came from.
Drawn multiple people there, and the leaves signify the trees that were beside us when we went down. And in the middle, there's the cast, and under that is the...
We also made the mountain that we had to focus on. And you can really see, but there are people walking path, and there are also
around here in the mountains. And around that you can see things that we thought that was important in the project. For example, the mindfulness, how it made everyone smile.
Country until like 30 years ago, 1995. So that's why we have a rich and varied history. Because we were always under Romans or Illyrians, in Đakovo, which basically manifest our...
So this is a stereotypic disappear because you don't want to pay central attention even if you've done something that you should be proud of.
Me too. I'm married. I'm married.
Our distinctive culture is influenced by its old Mediterranean climate, and if you go to Bologna Beach, you will only have 14 kilometers ahead to reach Africa.
That is one of the most important symbols of Spain.
Que la primera